Hello everyone, my name is Darren Lui. I'm the President and Executive Director of Aptorum Group. Aptorum Group is a biotech company and we're listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker APM and also recently cross-listed on the Euronext, also under our ticker APM as well. We're established in 2010 with our company focused on over 15 therapeutic candidates under development, including areas of orphan diseases, infectious diseases, metabolic diseases, and women's health. Our core business strategy is to focus on discovery to proof of concept, and after which we explore a number of options, including continue to develop the asset to commercialization, as well as seeking external co-development partners as well. Our key market regulatory focus is the US FDA. In fact, actually, most of our clinical trials plan is done in North America, with our core development site being based in Toronto, in Canada, focusing on our preclinical work. At the moment, our company has over about 40 full-time staff, and we also work with an additional 45 or so scientists, advisors, and consultants with vast experience in their respective scientific development space as well. I would like to spend the next few minutes talking a little bit about our key program. As you said, we have four major focus right now. Our first focus is in orphan diseases, which some people refer to that as rare disease. We have 4 programs under development right now under the SACT series, stands for the Smart Act platform, of which the SACT1 is the leading asset against a disease called neuroblastoma. It's a form of solid tumor, predominantly in children below 10 years old. This is a repurposed drug, and therefore we'll be pursuing the US FDA's 505(b)(2) pathway later in Q4 to be able to commence, subject to IND application, the next set of clinical trials, which is phase 1b/2a trial. We also have a second platform of focus, which is called the Aptorum series, focused on infectious diseases. And within this platform, we have 4 assets, including ALS1, 2, 3, and 4, of which ALS4 is the most leading asset. It's what we call the next generation anti-infective against a very deadly bacteria called MRSA, MRSA. Now, MRSA is actually classified by the WHO as a high priority development target. And right now, we have a next generation non-antibiotic approach towards this very deadly bacterial disease. ALS4 is now in the process of completing its IND enabling studies, and we are expected to be able to submit the regulatory application to be able to commence phase 1 trials targeted for Q4 2020. We have 3 other assets in this platform, including ALS1, which is also in lead optimization stage, targeting a virus called influenza virus A, which acts on a more upstream mechanism compared to Tamiflu and Sofluza as well. Coming into our third platform, which is what we call the Clavis platform. Within that, we have 3 assets under development right now, including our leading asset, CLS1, which uses a first-in-class macromolecule technology to target our gut microbiome and modulating the way our gut microbiota works in driving and curing some of these diseases. So our initial indication here is obesity, which is an immense market. This particular asset is under lead optimization stage right now, and we hope to be able to commence IND enabling studies towards the beginning of 2021. The fourth series of focus is our women's health platform, where we have 2 assets under development and commercialization. One of them is NLS1, which is a small molecule first-in-class asset targeting women's endometriosis. It's a non-hormonal approach towards this highly unmet endometriosis disease, which is estimated to occur in 1 in 10 women around the world. This asset has now completed lead optimization stage, and we'll be moving on swiftly into the IND enabling studies for this particular drug. Our final asset I'd like to bring to your attention is our supplement called NLS2. Now, this is a supplement targeted for women's health, in particular when women are undergoing menopause and having side effects such as osteoporosis. It is based on a bioactive ingredient isolated from a naturally occurring edible plant, and we were able to show in our preclinical data that this particular ingredient is able to upregulate estrogen production, as well as increasing bone density, as well as alleviating osteoporosis. Right now, this product NLS2 is under supplement registration in UK, Europe, and Asia, and we expect to be able to commence registration requirements in 2021 in other markets, including the US and Canada. I thank you very much for your time today, and if you have any questions, please visit our IR website at ir.aptorumgroup.com. Thank you.